Hello friends, good morning. Friends, how are you? I know you all of you fine because we all stay home and safe home. We take education continuously. We do not stop our education. Friends, today is Saturday. Today's date is 28 November 2020. Friends, today I tell you a interesting story. So, welcome to all my online lecture. Now I share my PPT. I know you all like and you love story very much. So now in shortly I tell you a story. Friends, our school name is Shikshan Ratna Pradeep Dattatray Samant Vidyalay Nehru Nagar Kurla. Welcome to all my online lecture. Standard 4th, subject English, and today's topic is one at a time. One at a time, unit 1 and topic name one at a time. You love sweets. We all love sweets because we like sweets. Today's story is one at a time. Look, Priya likes sweets. Her granny had a jar full of sweets. She gave Priya and tell you took one sweet at a time. But Priya wanted more. Many more. She quickly put her hand in the jar of sweets. She took 1, 2, 5, 10, many. Then what happened? But her hand stuck in but her hand was stuck in the jar. She could not take it out. She began to cry. Oh, what shall I do? Oh, what shall I do? What she say? Oh, what shall I do? Oh, what shall I do? Then let go of the sweet, said her granny. What she said? Let go of the sweets, said her granny. So Priya let go of some sweet. What she doing? Priya let go of some sweet. She still her hand would not come out. She let go of some sweets. Now there was only one in her hand. Her hand came out of the jar easily. She began to smile and look at her granny. Granny smiled too. Priya said, now I will take only one at a time. What she said? Now I will take only at a time. Do you like story? Now we read the story. Who is this? Very good. This is Priya. What is the story name? One at a time. Now, first one, we read a garden of words. You know that? Garden. Garden. Ah. We see in the garden many types of plants. In this way, in this one word garden, we see many words, meaningful words. So first one, we read these words. Say a. You know that a boy, a girl, a man use a. And A and D. Sita and Gita and at. I gets up at 7 o'clock at or at. Began. B-E-G-A-N. Began means started. Began. Started. Began means started. But. B-U-T, but. Actually, I come to your home, but I missed bus, so I could not come to your home. Came, come, came, C-A-M-E, came. Yesterday, my uncle came to my house. Came. Come. C-O-M-E. Come here. Come. Could. C-O-U-L-D. Could. Cry. C-R-Y. Cry. Pinky cry because she bite mosquitoes. Do. D-O. Do. Yes, I do easily. E-A-S-I-L-Y, easily. This sum is easily solved. 5, F-I-V, 5, 5 fingers, 5 hours. Gave, G-A-V, give, G-I-V, give past tense. Gave, her granny gave sweets. Hand, H-A-N-D, hand. I have 2 hands. Hands. Her, H-E-R, she is a girl. Her name was Priya. Or she is a girl. Her name is Priya. I am a boy. I. In, I-N, in. It, I-T, it. Liked, I liked cricket. Liked, not liked, liked. Looked, L-O-O-K-E-D, looked here. Looked, looked, past tense. Many, M-A-N-Y, many. More, M-O-R-E, more. Not, N-O-T, not. Now, N-O-W, now. Now I finish my work. Now. Off, O-F, off. O-N-E, one. Only, O-N-L-Y, only. Out, O-U-T, out. Put, P-U-T, put. Quickly, Q-U-I-C-K-L-Y, quickly. Quickly. Said, S-A-I-D, said. Shall, S-H-A-L-L, shall. Shall I come? Shall. She, S-H-E, she is a girl. She, smile, Pinky, smile, S-M-I-L-E, smile, smiled. S-M-I-L-D, smile is past tense. Some, S-O-M-E, I have some chocolate. Some, Take, T-A-K-E-I-L, take a little nap. Take. Ten, T-E-N, ten, T-H-E, the or the. There, T-H-E-R-E, there are students. There. Time, T-I-M-E, time. T-O, two. T-double-O, two. Pinky smile and her granny smiled too. Two. T-double-O-K, took. Take past tense, took. Two. T-double-O, two. Wanted. W-A-N-T-D, wanted. Was, W-A-S, was. What, W-H-A-T, what. Will, W-I-L-L, will, I will. Would, W-O-U-L-D, would. Now, who is this? She is Priya. Now, let us start. Priya liked sweets. Now read after me. Say, Priya liked sweets. Her granny had a jar full of sweets. Look at this picture. Priya and her granny. What did granny give to Priya? Granny gave to Priya a jar full of sweets. What is in her hand or Priya's hand? A jar full of sweets. What is it in her hand? A jar full of sweets, because Priya likes sweets. So granny gave to Priya. Now she became smile, or she. Now how to look Priya? She look happy because granny gave Priya a jar full of sweets, so she became happy. She gave Priya. Who gave Priya? Her granny gave Priya. And what said? One sweets at a time. Granny said to Priya, Priya, you only took one sweets at a time, not more or many. But Priya like more. So but Priya wanted more, not only one. Priya wanted more sweets, many, more. Next, what happened? She quickly put her hand. What she doing? She quickly put her hand in the jar of sweets. What she doing? She quickly put her hand in the jar of sweets. And she took 1, 2, 5, 10, many. Then what happened? But her hand was stuck in the jar when she took many sweets. So her hand stuck in the jar. Where? Stuck. Do not came out. Stuck. Then what happened? She could not take out. She began to cry. Then her hand stuck in the jar, so she could not take out. So she began to cry. Granny say, or what happened? Granny see or saw. Granny saw what Priya doing. Then what say Granny? Oh, what she say? Oh, what shall I do? Priya say, what shall I do? This sentence is future tense. What shall I do? What shall I do? Then Granny smile and say, what say? Let go of the sweets. What said Granny? Let go of the sweets, said her Granny. What said Granny? Who is this? Priya's Granny. Priya here is crying. So Granny said, let go of the sweets, said her Granny. Then Priya let go of some sweets. Still her hand would not come out. Once again look. Priya let go of some sweets. Still her hand would not come out. You all of you understood? Very good. Then now how she look? She was smile. Why? Because she let go of some sweets. Then what happened? Priya let go of some sweets. Then what happened? She became, now there was only one in her hand. How many sweets in her hand? Only one in her hand. Her hand came out of the jar easily. Her hand came out the jar easily. She began to smile. What is in her hand? What is it? Very good. A sweets. How many sweets in her hand? Only one. She began to smile. And what she say? And look at her granny. Where she look? At her granny. And granny smile too. So granny smile too. Then what she said? Now Priya said, now I will take only one at a time. What she said? Only. Now Priya said, now I will take only one at a time. Do you like story? Now which is past tense? Look, past tense. Like, you tell me like, past tense. Correct. Liked. Like, liked. Give, gave. Want, wanted. Once again repeat. Like, liked. Give, gave. Want, wanted. Take, took. Take, took. Begin, began. Cry, cried. Very good. Come, came. Smile, smiled. Look, looked. Not looked. What is you say? Looked. T. Say pronunciation, not d. T. Look, looked. Go, went. Get, got. Now read the questions. What did Priya like? Anyone tell me? Correct. Priya liked sweets. Because these questions ask you in past tense. Did. What did Priya like? So how to convert like? Liked. Priya liked sweets. Correct answer is Priya likes sweets. Who gave Priya sweets? Priya gave sweets her granny.